Welcome to Newbie Digital Arts. Today, I'm going to show you how to clone your model using Photoshop. Now, let's begin. First, you must have 3 pictures with different position of your model. And your camera must be steady, so I recommend that you have a tripod. Now, click on the Quick Selection tool and select your model. To cut the excess selection, just hold Alt on your keyboard until your selection cursor turn into negative sign. After selecting the model, click the mask icon. Now, click the next layer and repeat the process. Now, select all the layer by holding Ctrl key in your keyboard and click. After selecting all the layer, right-click and merge the selected layer. And now it's done! I hope you enjoy this simple tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button or leave a comment below.